Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In few sessions, I'm going to talk about colors, about color combinations, understanding the color relations, and almost everything that you need to know about colors when you are working on your art. And I'm going to show you how to use color wheel, explain all the different section of it, this side. But for now, let's start with very basic, which I know that most of you already know about these basic informations about colors, but because I'm going to explain more and more and refer to the first basic things, so I'm going to start with primary colors. So we have three primary colors. Primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. Maybe if I don't know what medium you are working with it's watercolor, it's marker, or different things, but maybe you can see there are different yellows in your set, different blues in your set. But search for the primary yellow, search for the primary blue, because the other ones probably they have different values. You may have a lighter yellow or darker yellow, which is going to be more orangish. Don't worry about it. I'm going to explain all of it to you. But just know that these three colors are primary colors. Why we call them primary colors? Because you need to have the three in your set. If you are missing any other colors, that's fine. It's not important. You can make it. With combination of these three colors, you actually can make all other colors like purple, green, blue green, any color that you could think of it, you can mix with these three. Just one exception, white. You cannot make white. And let me tell you, white is not color. In reality, white is just light. White is when we don't have a color. So, no white. If you need white in your set, you need to buy it. Now, we have these three colors and we call them primary colors. And as I said, we need to have them. We cannot make them. Other colors, we can make them, but not these three. So these are primary colors. Now, what's the secondary colors? Secondary colors means combination of each two of these colors together. Okay, now let me show you. Let's say we have red, which is a primary color. Now I'm going to mix it with yellow. Right now, I want you to please think of this mixture as totally equal. I know that right now I cannot make it as equal as it should be because measuring it, it's not that much easy. But let's imagine that I'm using yellow and red totally in equal amount. So now this is yellow, mixing it with red. Now you can see what's the result. The result is orange. So we have red plus yellow, and the result is orange. Now let's mix red with blue. What's your guess? What's going to be the result? Can you see it? I know that this purple, this violet, it's not gorgeous, but it's there. It's violet. So now let's say we have blue plus red, and the result is purple or violet. Now let's go to blue and yellow. You can see the result is green. So blue plus yellow, and the result is green. So these colors, right now we have secondary colors. Secondary colors means combination of each two primary colors in equal amount. Equal amount. Don't forget about that. That is a key, because then we have another set of colors, which is the combination of red, red, yellow, red, yellow, yellow. Don't worry about it. I'm going to explain that in few seconds, but just keep it in mind that these are secondary colors. So one more time, primary colors, blue, yellow, red. Secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. These are secondary colors. Okay, now let's go to the third sets of colors, which is tetrairy colors. It's a little more complicated. Now, this time I'm not going to mix these colors in equal amount. These times I have red. Now, instead of mixing yellow in equal amount, I'm trying to mix more and more yellow. Look at it. The result is still orange, but look at this orange and compare it with this one. You can see it's different, totally different. This one is yellow orange. Why? Because it has more yellow. It's like this, yellow, yellow plus red. So the result is going to be yellow orange. Okay, so now let's think about it from the other side. Like, we can have more red. Red and orange, and this time I'm going back to red again. Okay, again you can see this is orange, but this is different. This one is more reddish orange, so I'm going to call this one red orange, sorry. So it's going to be red plus yellow, and the result is red orange. Now we can do the same thing for each one of these colors. How many colors we have in this third organization, these third sets of colors? 6. Correct. We are going to have 6 colors in this one. We are going to have blue purple. We are going to have yellow green, or blue green, or red purple. Okay, I want you to please practice this at home. Try to combine colors together, mix colors together, and see if you can get those colors. In next session of our online class, I'm going to explain about warm and cool colors and why warm and cool colors are important. Which one of the primary colors are warm and which one of them is cool? Okay, this question is easy to answer, but what about these colors? What about yellow, orange? Is it warm or cool? Or what about purple or blue purple? Is it warm color or cool color? So stay tuned for the next lesson.